What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. So you're ready to start the video, man. That's where I'm gonna go ahead and talk about an update to my Pioneer system issues that I had, man. If you guys don't know, I bought that system back in March, and I just got a resolution, which wasn't a resolution 2 or 3 weeks ago. So what, July? Early July, I got a resolution. We're in August, almost August now, man. So it's crazy. But first, before we get started on that, I do have something I wanna install. So I did go get some more carbon fiber piece here. I got another one right here, as y'all can see, and it's gonna actually go right there on my 12-volt thing. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that first, and then jump to the whole Pioneer thing. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. You've seen the process before. If you haven't seen a video where I installed the carbon fiber steering wheel here, as you can see, as well as the carbon on the doors, I did all the doors, as you can see there. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this really quick. All right, guys, so that's the finished product. Looks great. I think that looks really good. Flip it up, still functional, no issues at all. Boom, yep, good to go. Okay, guys, so with the Pioneer system, if you don't know, go back and watch the video. I ordered a 10-inch Pioneer sub from Amazon. Why Pioneer? Because Pioneer is very reputable company, especially with audio, theater system, anything like that. And I used Pioneer in the past before, never had issues. But this one time, my system sub ended up getting fried, or whatever the case may be, whatever reasons. I bought it in the beginning of March, it happened at the end of March. From March through early July, the system was not working. So if you heard this story, I'm gonna relapse real quick. I sent them, called Amazon. Amazon couldn't do anything, so they took me Pioneer. I sent numerous emails to Pioneer before I finally got a response back. And then I finally got on the phone with someone. I got to run around on the phone. It was a whole thing. Finally got a manager. Manager called me. His claim still didn't get submitted. Just a whole bunch of runaround. So the last time I talked, I was waiting on a response back from the manager. I don't think I heard from him, or if he did email me back, it was like weeks later. It's been so long now, I'm trying to recall the story. So the last thing I do remember, I ended up getting upset, and I sent the email, and that was probably like, it was a stern email. It was pretty like, you know, just basically saying this is ridiculous. You know, it was basically a direct email, and I instantly got a response. So tell you, I was trying to be nice about it, but sometimes you just gotta be ugly. So I instantly got a response from the claims department. They sent me all this information saying, hey, you need to do this, this, and this. And once again, they asked me, how was it connected? What was it connected to? I gave that information at least 8 times to different people. So got to talking to him, and so he's like, okay, here's the address to send the system to. Once we receive it, we will review it and look at the product to determine if it was installer error or user error, or whatever the case may be, right? He's like, if it discovered that it was a faulty product, you would get a brand new system. We'll send back to you. I said, okay. What about shipping the system to you all? How is that going to be paid for? He's like, oh, you got to pay for that out of pocket. I'm like, okay, this thing is pretty heavy. So I'm like, it's going to probably cost like $20, $30 to send it. He was like, yeah, we don't pay for you to ship it to us because we had to ship it back. That costs us money. I read it in the comments when people talking about the issue with the warranty. I was like, man, you know what? I was like, dude, I said, honestly, it's kind of messed up that I have a warranty on this thing, but you making me pay for the shipping and send it back. I'm gonna pay for it, send it back, and then forget it. You determine that it was my fault, or whatever the case may be. You're not gonna give me a new product, and now you're not gonna pay me back for shipping. So basically what ended up happening, guys, what I ended up doing, I basically put it in the box, wrapped it up, taped it up, and took that junk straight to the trash can, bro. I took it straight to the trash can and dumped it, and that was it. And I did not want to deal with it anymore. The reason I did that, because, say for example, I sent my $30, $20, $30, because it's pretty heavy to send it off. They determined, okay, hey, it's fine, right? They send me a new product, replacement product. You can't get your money back, replacement product only. I get it, I already have a system now. I don't need a new one. So now I got to go on Facebook Messenger or Marketplace or wherever and try to sell this thing. You ever sold anything on those marketplaces? I have had success, yes, but it's a pain sometimes trying to link up with people. You get many inquiries, and one person cancel. Oh, can you do tomorrow? Can you not do today? And then kind of sketchy these days with everything going on, you know, who you're going to meet. And my second thought to that was, what if the person I sell the system to, let's say they had the same issue and the system blows on them because it's a bad system. Now they're coming back to me saying, hey, man, you sold me a faulty product. Now it's this whole other thing, you know, now somebody mad at me, saying I owe them money back because of the system was, they probably assuming that I did something to it, which actually I didn't. Just a terrible product, just faulty product, wasn't real Pioneer, you know, cheap made, whatever case may be. So anyway, I just decided to just wash my hands with it, man. I dumped it in the trash, and that's it. I lost out on my $120, $130. Here's what it is. You live and you learn. Definitely wasn't the best experience I had, but you know, that's just how it goes sometimes, man. I mean, so I know some of you guys probably say, hey man, I would have went through with it, got the new product, tried to sell it. It's just a headache, man. It just wasn't worth it. It just wasn't worth it to me to go through that headache. So yeah, the Pioneer system update, trashed, gone, box gone, everything. I just dumped it, man. I didn't want to continue to have problems behind this product if I sold it to someone else. Update as far as the truck, you guys know I've been working on Red here. She is pretty, I ain't gonna say close to being done, but you know, I'm pretty good with how she sits. Still has some stuff I want to do to her. However, if you haven't watched my last motorcycle video, as you know, the BMW is down, needs a new radiator probably. To this day I'm recording this video, I don't know if it needs a new radiator. I just dropped it off, but it's probably gonna need a new radiator, which definitely put a dent in my plans, because I definitely had something for the truck that I was gonna get installed this weekend. Had to cancel that completely, had to cancel it because of the motorcycle. So, it's an update on that. That's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Peace.